And also, amid the controversy over the Hema Committee reports revelations, a group of filmmakers in Kerala are now also to form a new organization titled the Progressive Filmmakers Association in the Malayalam film industry. In fact, a vision note of the proposed organization signed by filmmakers Anjali Menon, Ashik Abu, Rajiv Ravi, actor Rima Kalingal, and also producer Binish Chandra has been released now. In fact, this entire note states that the new organization will be rooted in principles that prioritize equality, cooperation, social justice, and also will work towards safeguarding the rights of everyone in the filmmaking community. Remember, the Hema Committee report, which was released last month, detailed the existence of a rampant sexual misconduct in the Malayalam film industry and also of a power group that controls the industry. A series of sexual misconduct allegations then also came up against several well-known actors and filmmakers, and all of this led to the resignation of the entire leadership of the powerful actors' body. In fact, the Association of Malayalam Movie Artists faced the flag, and everyone in that particular panel resigned.
When it comes to the AMMA body, the association body, that is completely power driven. That those were the allegations that were put on the AMMA especially, and that is the reason why we saw the mass resignation of all the executive members from the association as well. So there is a power body, the existing of a power body that is being alleged inside this association, and there is a lot of misconduct, that it is a one man army kind of situation, and there is no consideration in when it there is no consideration for other low paid actors or the junior artists in the industry or everybody concerned. It is not inclusive of all the artists is what is being alleged technically. So now this new association, the Progressive Filmmakers Association, that is supposed to be formed, it is going to have or solve issues concerning every single person inside the movie body of Malayalam film industry, and it does not look into the power or the position of the artist who is doing. We know that when a movie involves so many people, including junior artists, the dancers, the technicians, the production controllers, the cinematographers, so irrespective of the gender, irrespective of the position they hold inside the movie industry, these people will get all the privileges and security when it comes to their work, and it will be equal workforce is what they promise in this association.